Cooking with Delilah, cooking with Milo. So, the quick down and dirty recipe just for these ribs is to put it in a pot with the lid, boil it for 3.5 to 4 hours on the lowest temperature it will boil at. You know they're done right when you pull them off, when you pull them out and they fall apart and the meat cannot stick to the bone, you know you've done it right. And you get your barbecue sauce. This one was filled to about maybe halfway, and then you pour it over each section that you put in. I cut it in 3 sections. Pour it in, and at the end you pour some water in here, of course bottled water, and then put it in. And then what I'm going to do is put aluminum foil over this, and I'm going to cook it for 2.5 hours at 225, and we'll see what it turns out to be like. We finished, Delilah? Huh, baby? Okay, let's give it a look. Alright, another couple hours at 225. Put the aluminum foil on here. And the meat just falls off the bone, so that's how you know it's good. Kraft macaroni and cheese spirals. So just make sure you add a little real cheese to it, like cheddar cheese, like Sargento's or something. Makes it really good. If you can use half and half, that also makes it good.